Horizon!
Okay,
I love you!
Ako nga pala si Vinci, ako ang leader ng Horizon. Hello guys!
Hi, Vinci!
Hi, Vinci!
Hello guys, ako nga po pala si Jeremy, ako po yung main dancer ng Horizon.
Hi, Jeremy!
Hello guys, my name is Marcus. I'm the manager of the group.
Hello, Marcos!
Hello guys, magandang hapon. Ako nga po pala si Kyler, ang main before.
Carter!
Tyler!
Ako pala ang main rapper ng grupo, Racer.
Racer! Char!
Hey guys, magandang hapon. Ako po pala si Winston.
Winston! Pasindi naman,
Hello
Winston.
po everyone.
Pasindi.
Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala si King Watt ng Horizon. Yeah! And we're going to perform
Ang dami
for you
nila.
guys our debut song. It's called 16. Pero siyempre sa Filipino, sa wikang Filipino, siya ay labing-anim. Labing-anim, di ba? Kasi marami tayong mga Pinoy dito. So let's get ready. Let's start. Let's go! Get ready. Let's get ready.
Para lang silang high school, no?
That's it.
Char.
Music! Cue!
Why don't you come and join us? Here we go, party tonight, check it. Pump it up, your energy, feel it. Play hard, you feel like 60. Hang out with me. I'm watching, looking up, having fun, it's coming on. It's pretend, looking forward to it and drink it all.
Nakakalay, ha?
Never go shoot cars, to the chest, how did you want to go to shoot ball? I'm not thinking about tomorrow. You only live once, put your hands in the air, sing it again. I'm gonna burn it down. When you're running around, so don't play together. Don't know what's on your head. Break it down. La 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 la. Say what? La 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 la.
Kung kamay mo. 16 pala yung title niya.
So excited, I can't with you, take away out your feet. I've been crazy, wild, that's a wild experience. You should know that I said all night. Let's party.
Korean English. Masasarap! Masasarap! Mga bagets. Lala! 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 Wala na pala.
Thank you guys!
Perfect girl, your daddy today, so really marvelous. Well done. Watching your sweet motion. Can I hide my emotion? Oh, that you're so hot, baby, you're so goddess. 모든 게
sa labas.
Hey, gotta take it up, put it on my zone. I bet, hey, give you all my life, no more fear tonight. Day by day, I'll get about your happiness. This her is me, yes. I don't time to really feel me a broken. I love you, good emotion.
Nasa sa woman sila sa October. Tama.
Baby, you're so goddess. Wanna give up your
Saka yung Freddy Aguilar daw eh.
Lucky, yes! I'm lucky!
Yung naka-blue. Yung naka-blue may left ako.
Let's go! I said it on! Let's turn Lucky 7 on! Hey!
Bagets!
What's up guys? That was Lucky sa Wikong Pinoy. Swerte. Feeling swerte ba tayo lahat tonight?
Yes!
Hindi pala gabi, sorry. Thank you guys for coming here kahit syempre makulimlim pero hindi nila mapapabagsak ang warm energy ng mga Pinoy! And of course, nandito tayo lahat to celebrate a lot of things, most especially our Independence Day. So happy Independence Day, Philippines! And of course to all the migrant workers here, National Migrant Worker Day din. So congratulations for, you know, still being here and coming here. Thank you for celebrating with us. And of course, let's not forget the 75th diplomatic relation between Philippines and South Korea, which we are so proud to be a representative of both countries. Because we are based here in South Korea, but in blood we are Filipinos. So I hope you enjoyed Lucky, but we still have another performance left for you guys.
Wow!
Are you guys doing well there? Okay ba? Lahat naman? Hydrated? May tubig? Yes, of course, it's always an honor to, you know, to perform here, to represent the Philippines here in South Korea alongside with the amazing artists that we are with today. We really appreciate all of you guys, and I think Kuya Kyler wants to tell them something. Oh yeah, lalabas po ako sa music video po ni Ison Chur Sanbanim. Sa sa June 11. 6 p.m. Yeah, 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Korean KSC. Abangan niyo po. Yes, mapapanood niyo po siya mag-acting. Yeah. First po yan ng group namin. So please look forward to it. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the remaining performance. This has been Horizon! Sana po.
Naalala ko noon, nung una tayong kita, hindi ko talaga malilimutan. Nakakailang napapagi ko sa iyo, balik mo'y matamis na ngiti. Kung nakikita kong mata, nagniningning, di ko alam bakit lumuluha. Di ka man nasabi. Alam mo ba, salamat dahil ikaw yun. Sobrang salamat dahil tayo to lahat. Sisaya mga panahon.
ito, yung pinaka-cute ng dalawang yan. Tayo bumalik.
Hindi ako natatakot, naniniwala ko paghawak ko, pagkakabay, ibig sa pagkakaba, walang kapalitan sa tarapang pagkakabang, pagmamahal, akong iyong mananangiti, di ko alam bakit lumuluha, di man nasabi, alam mo ba, salamat dahil ikaw yun. Sobrang salamat dahil tayong ito lahat.
Ay, kababayan ko lang. Pag lang pag
Lakas loob ko nang sasabihin ang nais na iparating.
Once again, thank you so much for having Horizon. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you for the embassy, for Wishbus, for having us. It's such an honor to celebrate this special day with you guys. At huwag niyo kakalimutan, mabuhay Pilipinas! Mahal ko kayo!
Alam mo ba, salamat dahil tayo. Sobrang salamat dahil tayo ito lahat.
Okay na.
Mga panahon, kaya hanggang sa amin, mahal kita.
Alright.
Mahal kita, mahal kita.
Alright.
Ito'y di magbabago.
Mahal kita! Mahal ko kayo! Love you guys! Thank you so much! Salamat po! Kami po ulit ang Horizon! Thank you guys! Okay,
Ay,
guys.
naka...
Horizon!
Horizon! Horizon!
Artists, so please abangan nyo and be excited. Thank you guys!
Marami.